Ever stare at your aquarium and think, how does it get dirty so fast? Or wonder if there's a natural way to keep things cleaner without standing over it with a siphon every weekend? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down one of the best-kept secrets in fish keeping, the cleanup crew. That means shrimp, snails, and a few other tank helpers. Who does what, how they work, and how you can pick the right ones for your setup. Here's the thing. Keeping a fish tank clean doesn't have to be a full-time job. In nature, every creature plays a role in keeping lakes and rivers balanced. We can copy some of that magic at home. Add the right species, and suddenly you've got natural helpers working for you, controlling algae, munching leftover food, and dealing with waste. But not all cleaners are created equal. Some are experts on algae, some handle detritus, some stir up the substrate. And trust me, a few shouldn't be anywhere near certain fish. So, let's break down the best options for your tank. First up, shrimp. These guys are the precision cleaners. Amano shrimp are famous for controlling soft algae and leftover food. They really shine in planted tanks where the water is stable. Cherry shrimp? All about cleaning biofilm on surfaces and decorations. They come in wild colors and will multiply fast if your tank is safe and lightly stocked. But fair warning, shrimp do best with peaceful, small fish. Put them with aggressive or large tank mates and they'll just become an expensive snack. Next up, snails. These are your heavy-duty workers, always on the move. Nearite snails are awesome for cleaning glass and hard surfaces. Good news, they won't take over your tank because they can't reproduce in fresh water. Mystery snails are active and fun to watch, but they lay visible eggs above the water so you'll see those clutches. Malaysian trumpet snails? They burrow into the substrate, helping prevent gas pockets and keeping the sand stirred. The trick with snails? Don't overfeed or they'll multiply like crazy. Less food, fewer snails. Looking for other helpers? Some fish do the job too. Otocinclus are peaceful algae grazers, perfect for planted tanks. Corydoras catfish help clean up leftover food on the bottom. Just remember, they're not algae eaters. Now, a cleanup crew isn't a replacement for good maintenance. They're more like your support squad, your maintenance team. Let's talk real-life problems. Algae on the glass or plants? Nearite snails and Amano shrimp to the rescue. Food building up and clouding the water? Corydoras or shrimp will handle those leftovers. Worried about compacted substrate or gas pockets? Malaysian trumpet snails have your back. Bottom line, a cleanup crew makes your aquarium more natural, balanced, and way easier to care for. Pick the helpers that fit your tank's vibe and you'll cut stress, save time, and keep every critter inside happier. Know who does what, and you'll have a tank that runs like a system, not a chore. If you found this helpful and want more real talk about aquarium care, hit like and subscribe. Join the family, and let's make fish keeping simple, fun, and something you can stick with long term.